get you breaking updates now coming in. We have the first statement from the TVK on the NEET controversy, with TVK condemning the police crackdown on the leader of opposition and the protesters, extending all support. So yesterday, as Rahul Gandhi was protesting outside the Prime Minister's residence, many had raised questions on why the TVK had not issued a statement. Now we have a statement coming in with TVK extending support to the protests against NEET. This is the first reaction from the TVK, the first statement on the NEET controversy. The TVK statement going on to condemn the police crackdown on the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, as well as other leaders protesting for the NEET examination and for the students, and going on to say, we continue to stand against NEET examination and extend full support to the protests against NEET, demanding that education should be brought under special concurrent list and give states the authority on education. And NEET has to be abolished, and the TVK will continue to stand by it. This is the statement that has been issued by the TVK. So this is the first statement that has been issued by the TVK. My colleague Varshini is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Varshini, amid a lot of opposition pressure on the centre, this is the first statement of the TVK on the entire controversy.
Absolutely, yes, Pratibha. This is the first statement coming from the TVK, and in fact, they have mentioned that Tamil Nadu has always been against the NEET examination. In fact, has been demanding for the abolishment of NEET, and the TVK will continue to stand on its ground as it has already mentioned earlier that they will be against the NEET. They've also mentioned that the education and medical education, all of these should be brought under a special concurrent list so that the state governments will have the authority to take decisions over any education related issues, and that is what the TVK will also be standing for. And the TVK is also, in the statement, is also mentioned about how the party condemns the crackdown on the opposition parties, particularly Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and other leaders who were detained, and also about the students' protest, saying that this is the TVK condemns it, and TVK will continue to stand to ask for the abolishment of NEET, particularly exemption
so the statement of the TVK on this entire controversy now official. Thank you for joining us with that update, Varshini. Well, that's all we could pack for you in this edition of Southern Spice. Thank you for joining us. We will be back again tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. with the top stories from across South.